Welcome to this explainer. New to online platforms? No worries. Let's easily decode the X3 matrix together.
So why is X3 totally different from anything you've seen? Simple. There's zero human intervention. None.
Instead, it's run by heavily tested smart contract code. It literally cannot work any other way.
This contract is the absolute law. There's no other possible way payments can be routed. Period. Think of each level like a blueprint. They all perfectly follow this exact 14-position layout. These colors are like traffic lights. Yellow spills up, green pays you directly, white upgrades, and red spills down. Let's clear up some beginner confusion. Your referral tree shows human connections, but the payout matrix, that's pure code. Just because someone uses your link doesn't mean they stay there. The contract routes strictly by math rules. Now let's look at cycle 1. Think of this first round as a foundation to push your position upward. In this first cycle, the code holds slot 4, and slot 5 automatically triggers your next level upgrade. So initially, the system routes exactly 6 direct payments straight to you, plus that auto upgrade value. But here's where it gets exciting. Cycle 2 and beyond shift completely into a permanent, reoccurring flow. Here's the big shift. In cycle 2 and on, slot 4 feeds a weekly royal pool split into 4 categories. Because of that shift, slot 5 becomes a direct payment. You get 7 recurring direct payments now, not 6. This highlights our golden rule to keep things flowing. Simply help every single position get 2 direct referrals. Remember, this explainer is strictly educational. Crypto involves risks, and your results depend entirely on your participation. The smart contract law is set in stone. The only question is, are you ready to build your first?